So here's a small repair, but important. Every repair is important. So this is on the, it's above a window. Very cool design. And I noticed this before and I just didn't have time to deal with it, but now I have an idea what I want to do. And that is, I took a piece of metal, some of my salvaged metal, and we're going to put it on like this. I'm going to put a cap on it. And I have the screws that I've pulled off the top roof. And I've already pre-drilled this, so once I press this down, this will go in. At least it should, yep. And we'll screw that down, and that'll take care of that. It'll look nice. And take care of this peak. So it protects it a little bit more, or a lot more. Not a lot of snow should get in here or rain because, you know, we have a big overhang here. It's below where the bees are. But every repair helps, and so I'm glad I'm getting this one done. And then we'll move on to the next one. Simple but important.